Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Magic Trackpad not showing up in Bluetooth devices. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to connect your Apple Magic Trackpad with your MacBook Air. Why is it not appearing under Bluetooth devices? Now, I've had two solutions for this. The first things first, it's the most obvious one. You want to make sure that your Apple Trackpad is actually being charged. So what I mean by that is maybe you haven't used this for some time and it was left on. Make sure that it's actually charged. Now, once you've actually charged it, the next thing that you want to check is that you want to disconnect your trackpad from any other Apple devices that you've used on it before. So let's say that you've used this Apple Trackpad on your iPad, for example. You want to go into settings, you want to go into Bluetooth, and you can see that as soon as I turn this on, it automatically connected to my iPad because I've used it before. You want to go ahead and click on the trackpad and then click on forget this device. Now, once you've done so, what's going to happen is that it's going to be in Bluetooth pairing mode. And assuming that this isn't connected to any other nearby devices, you should see your trackpad appear under nearby devices or Bluetooth devices. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Apple Magic Trackpad not showing up in Bluetooth devices. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.